guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fan. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you. And if you're seeing my face for the second time and still yet you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well as to subscribe, guys. Do as to subscribe to this channel because you're going to benefit a lot from this channel, guys. My channel is all about skincare, herbal treatments, tutorials, reviews, previews, new recipes, everyday recipes. You're going to learn from me every day. You understand, guys? You're going to learn from me every day recipes. We don't bring old recipes here. We bring advanced, effective recipes in this channel. Without wasting much of your time, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make an effective weight gain food. This is not weight gain drink, this is a weight gain food. It similarly looks like pap, but it is not pap. It is not pap, guys, and it's more delicious than pap. It tastes really nice and it's very nutritious, healthy for you. It builds the body, it allows you to gain weight fast, effectively, naturally and healthily, without any side effects. There's no chemicals, there's nothing at all. It's completely natural with effective herbs and ingredients that can help you gain weight really quick. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks like. So this is it. It really tastes nice. You can as well make yours to be a bit lighter, but I love mine to be like this. It's almost finished. This is it, guys. Is a bit dark light brown in color. It's a bit light brown in color. You can add milk, whatever you want to add, you can add. Just take this morning and night, then I assure you will start seeing effective results and you start gaining weight fast without any side effects, guys. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make this cereal. I'll be teaching you guys how to make it with natural, effective ingredients. So just listen carefully so you know how to make this perfectly. So guys, let's take a 1 minute break. So guys, if you're interested in getting my skincare product, is available for you. If you want a very good, beautiful skin, is available for you. And if you want my body enhancement product, you want to have butts and grow your butts, you want to grow your breasts, you want to have a good firm breast, you want to have a good charming body, a good looking sexy body, a beautiful body, just run up to me. My number is at the description box. Just check my number there. You chat me up directly. And if you want to learn, you can as well learn from me. Just chat me up. My number is there. Then we are good to go. You understand, guys? Then we are good to go. And if there's any questions concerning this recipe relating to this video, you want to ask questions, or there's something or you're not sure about, you want to ask questions, you want to be very sure on what the ingredients is talking about, or you still haven't understand what this video is simply talking about, or you're still not clear, you can drop questions at the comment section. Then I'm going to reply you guys instantly, guys. So don't come to my WhatsApp asking questions. My WhatsApp is mainly for my training class and for business purposes. All questions should be dropped in the comment section. Watch as I teach you how to make this wonderful weight gain food. Make sure you subscribe, click notification bell button so you can get when we drop a new video, guys. So watch as I teach you. I'll be mentioning all the ingredients for you to see. The first step, all you have to do is to get an empty plate. Then you add about 30 grams of wheat flour. Wheat flour is very important for this recipe because it serves as a thickener for the cereal you're about to make, or for the pap you're about to make. Wheat flour is very important for this recipe. So guys, I'll just be adding about 10 grams of happy powder. Yeah, you'll be wondering why we're adding happy powder to this recipe. Happy powder naturally increase the birth size, the bud size, and it also make you sick naturally without any side effect. This is a very special, unique food for you to gain weight. If you love pap or if you love taking cereal, then this is specially for you. So guys, we just be needing just 5 grams of zimu powder. Zimu powder is very good for weight gain, and it also help you grow your butts and your breast size naturally. So make sure you're adding zimu to your um weight gain food. So guys, we just be adding just 10 grams of pumpkin powder. Pumpkin powder have enough protein, fiber, also have a very good flavor and aroma. Pumpkin powder are good source of vitamin B, magnesium, iron and protein, which contains a lot of calories. So guys, pumpkin seed powder will help you gain weight naturally. I just added 10 grams of walnut powder to this recipe. Walnuts is really good for weight gain, so all these ingredients combined together will help you gain weight healthily without any side effects. Just make it as your daily food that you can be able to consume almost every day. So I'll just be adding just 10 grams of corn flour, yes, to this recipe. It's optional though, but I'll prefer you add corn flour to this recipe. So it's going to give it that fluffy looks, that silky smooth looks and thickness. So just mix all your ingredients together. Make sure you mix properly. Well guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do well as to subscribe to this channel, guys, and also give me a thumbs up. favorite milk. Like, this is my favorite milk, pig milk. Then you just pour, mix, and this is it. Very nutritious, smooth, delicious, and tasty, and it also smells nice, guys. So just try this out and come back, give me a review on this recipe that you've tried. So guys, you can take this every morning as your normal breakfast, right? So guys, bye, see you all in my next video.